everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Fashom. Fashom is an online styling service. They're really a great company as far as customer service and giving back and body positivity. So their motto is better as I am. They are inclusive in sizing. They give $1 to Second Chance Rescue for every box you purchase in New York City. And they will do video conferencing with you beforehand to get an idea of your style, your tastes, and what you're actually looking for. And I don't know any other styling service that does to that extent. Maybe Front Door Fashion does, but and JB Style, but nobody else actually sits there and has an actual interview. Not Stitch Fix, not Trunk Club. Not Wantable. So I really appreciate that about them. I have collaborated with them in the past. This box is a choice of mine. This is my own money I'm spending. I decided to kick off a Fashom box because it's not a subscription. You can't schedule it. So if you want a box, you actually have to go online and say, I want a box. And I did want a box because I've been so happy with the jeans that I got in my last box that I wanted the same exact pair in either white or ivory, all right, or off-white, ecru. And unfortunately, I also asked for spring tops in the box. And unfortunately, that was the reason why I did this. And unfortunately, there are no jeans in this box. It's just tops. But there's some cute options here, so I would like to share them with you. Okay. So the first thing that they gave me is what they called the Shavy wrap sweater. Oh, and you do get a chance to preview your items. And when they showed me this sweater, I was like, yeah, I like wrap sweaters, and it was a pretty color online. You can only see so much online. So here is the sweater. It is like a bluish grayish. It has a periwinkle undertone. It is a wrap style with a complete wrap with a tie on the side. And it's by, believe it or not, Cupcakes and Cashmere. And if you don't know that name brand, it's a really expensive name brand. So I was kind of surprised to see this come in a Fashom box. It is 70% acrylic, 30% nylon. It is a little thicker for me than what I'm looking for right now for spring. It's not itchy at all because of the nylon on it, and it has these bell sleeves. So I do like this sweater. It would have to see in how it fits me. I'm gonna obviously have to wear a cami underneath this, but I do like it. I'll try it on, see how it is. And the price of this is, if I pay full price, $45. If I buy, I think it's buy all 5 items, it's $31.50. And if I buy 3 items or more, it's $38.25. All right. So this is a potential option. I do like the sweater. I just have to try it on and see how it fits me. It is an extra small with a wrap. I'm not so sure an extra small was a wise choice, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks on. I do like it. All right. Next up is this. I told her one of the things I'm looking for was like a spring green, and she found me this Leami, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Finley eyelet top. Full price, $42. If I buy all, it's $29.40, and it's $35.70 if I buy 3 or more items. Okay. It's in like a sage green. Okay, and it's eyelet. And let me tell you the material of this. It is 97% polyester, 3% spandex, and the lining is 100% polyester. Oh, this is machine wash cold, light colors, tumble dry low. And this one is, let's see if I can tell you what how to wash this. This one is hand wash cold separately, do not bleach, lay flat to dry, or dry clean. So I would probably put that in a garment bag in the machine and wash on delicate. So this is a possibility too. It is long sleeves, and it has like the little puff sleeve a little bit down here because it has the cuff, and it's straight across the bottom, and it's eyelet, but it is like a stretchy, nylon-y, polyester-y material. I was hoping for more like cottonish, cotton modal, but all right, next up. Now I'm probably getting my wish here. This is also by Leami. It's called the Carol Puff Sleeve Top. Regular price $45, $30 if I buy all, $31.50, $38.25 if I buy 3 or more. Okay, so it has the crew neck. It has these mesh sleeves. So this is mesh here on the sleeves. That is cuffed. This feels like either rayon or modal. I'll give you the material in just a second. It is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and the contrast or the sleeves is 96% nylon, 4% spandex. So this is a cute little t-shirt with little puff sleeves. I like this. So again, I'll try it on and see how everything fits. All right, next up. This is by Renee C. And it is the short sleeve knit top. Price, full price, $32. If I buy all, $22.40. If I buy 3 or more, $27.20. Okay? And it's like a texture, like a tweed, all right? Different. It has like a double layer here on the sleeves, but you can see some of the threads are already hanging. I would have to give this a little haircut if I kept it. Yeah, it's definitely cute. Definitely something different that I don't have in my wardrobe. It is like a navy and white tweed, all right? Straight across the bottom. And like a little ruffle here on the sleeves. Definitely something different. I'll give it a try, see how I like it. Now, this is where I got stuck because I only like 5 items in my preview, and I had to select 5. So one of the items that they had was a jean jacket, and I really don't need a jean jacket. The other item she gave me was a pair of mom jeans, and on the model, they look like mom jeans. So I'm like, they're not gonna look good on me. I'm like, if I'm gonna buy a pair of jeans, I want them to at least look good on the model. They looked like, you know, farty old jeans. I'm like, no, pass on those. So I had to pick something else, and I ended up picking this soft cardigan. It's called the Alana Soft Cardigan. It is by the company called Aryea, A-R-Y-E-A. It's designed in the U.S., it says. Yeah, here's the tag, okay? It is soft. I don't think it's a brush knit, but it is super soft. The material is 45% viscose, 50% polyester, 5% spandex. It is like a, you know, marbled look, you know, with the light blue and black in it. I wouldn't mind a light blue cardigan, but this is like the cocoon style, which is not one of my favorites. And I wouldn't want it marled like this. And I'll give it a shot, but I'm not very hopeful about this one. And like I said, I had to pick 5 items, so it was like, this was my 5th. All right, give me a few minutes and I'll do a try on. Okay. First up, I have the Lay Me Carol Puffy Sleeve Top, and the retail price, full price, would be $45. So that would mean that I would have to pay an additional $25 on top of the $20 styling fee that I already paid. It's cute, I like it. I believe she sized up to a size small for me. I'm not sure. I'd have to look at the tags, which is okay by me because this material is very clingy, all right? So I don't think it looks bad on me. I think it's a cute top. Nothing wrong with it. I'm just not buying that it's a $45 top. So that's where I have the problem. You know, I'll have to try on the other items too and see what I think at the end. But it's cute. There's nothing wrong with it. Is it screaming buy me? No. And does it say buy me with an additional $25? No. All right. Give me a minute and I'll try on the next top. Okay, this next top is the Renee C short sleeve knit top, and this is retailing for $32. That's more like it, all right? This is very unique to my wardrobe. It is like a tweed. I wouldn't wear it with black jeans, but this is what I'm wearing now. So I'll come closer so you can see. It's like a tweed and it's like a nubby texture. My only concern is the quality of this. You know, it's cute. I would definitely wash it or in a garment bag in my machine and lay it to dry. I would have to cut off the extra little strings that are really dangling. But this is cute. I would pay an extra $12 for this. I do think this is worth $32. It's a little bit pricey, but I don't think it's bad. So I'm really considering keeping this. It's very unique to my wardrobe. It's very lightweight. And I think you can really dress this up, but yet it is just like a casual top, right? It's really can do double duty. I really like this top. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try on the next top. Okay, I decided to throw on the cardigan while I had this blue on, figured blue on blue. I personally wouldn't wear these together, but I thought it was better than putting it with the pink top or the green one. So as you can see, it has this dolman sleeve and the cocoon style wrap, rounded wrap right here, which is not my favorite. you know, so it has a drop shoulder here. It is a very fine knit. I would not say that this is a brushed knit, but I still worry about pulling and snagging. Very soft material. And the price on this is $42. Yeah, no, for me, it's just, you know, the whole style is just not really my style. Like I said, this is something that I picked out in the end. But, you know, it's okay. You know, it's nothing wrong with it. There are no pockets. It's just not something that is me. So this one is going back. All right, what do we think of this top? All right, this is the Les Amis Finley Eyelet top. Price is $42. Yeah, not bad. I would have preferred if this was a more cottonish feel. Like, I don't have to have natural fibers, but this is definitely a polyester, you know, springy top, you know. It's cute. It has like the eyelet on it, and it's like a sage green. What does everyone think of this? I am debating about this. This is a maybe. This is cute. Yeah, I don't know. Give me a minute and I'm gonna try on the sweater. Okay, last up is the Cupcakes and Cashmere sweater. The price is $45. I do think this sweater is worth $45 retail. However, I don't think it looks the greatest on me. I think that it's just way too open here. It doesn't close all the way, so you then have to see the big white, you know, cami underneath. If it were like a little bit more like this, you know, maybe, but I'm a little bit too busty to keep it closed. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping this for that reason. The fact that it is 70% acrylic and 30% nylon, and the fact that it's more of a winter sweater. I mean, even though it's like a pretty spring color, we're getting in the 60s already. So if I'm gonna get a spring sweater, I want a really thin cotton type sweater, not something that is acrylic and nylon like this. Because again, we're moving towards the spring here. We're getting in the 60s this week. I'm just trying to avoid heavier sweaters. It is cute with the, what do they call these? Trumpets? They're bell sleeves. Yeah, bell sleeves. Cute. I just don't think it's the greatest fit on me because of my chest, and you know, the weather just doesn't quite make it. So what am I thinking about? I'm thinking about the tweed top and possibly the eyelet one. Give me your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click the notification bell to notify to future videos for me, and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in fashion, click the link below, and you can also get a fashion box. It's $20 per box, and they end up, you know, buy what you want, send back the rest. Shipping is free both ways. And like I said, they're a really great company in terms of body positivity, inclusiveness, giving back, and really caring about trying to get a good match for what you have. You know, I have to say that much about them. Sometimes their clothes are hit and miss. I'm kind of pleased with that tweed top. That is very unique to me, and I kind of like it. So that's the one I'm leaning on keeping now. Take care, and until next time.